Hello and welcome back to another session, guys. First of all, Jai Hind all of you. This is Mardeep and very welcome to all of you. Let's start today's session, guys. सीरीज फुल्ली आज जो है ना हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, बहुत कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है ना। आप लोग को ध्यान से प्रॉपर वे से सुनना है। क्या बोल रहा है? देवर इंग्लिश पर करती हो, एक अच्छा न्यूज़ करेंगे। मालविया नगर फायर का अफ्रीका का बात कर रहा है। फिल्म वगैरह, मूवी वगैरह, दिस बॉडी डजंट चेंज ओवरनाइट। ईसा कपिल सब कुछ जिम वगैरह का शेयर कर रहे हैं। ट्रम्प पगला है। चलो आज ट्रम्प का देखते हैं। वाई यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प हैज़ इशू ऑर्डर सीकिंग ओवरसाइट ऑफ एआई मॉडल्स का बोल रहा है ये, ठीक है ना। तो बोल रहा है कि ट्रम्प साइन एक्सिक्यूटिव ऑर्डर फॉर वॉलेंट्री गवर्नमेंट एक्सेस टू with advanced AI model before public release, reducing review period from 9 to 90 to 30 days. Goal is to strengthen cybersecurity and protect critical infrastructure. Similar move by India in 2024 revoked due to pushback from tech industry. Order avoids creating new licensing regime and aims for voluntary framework with AI developers. Listen, guys, I have more things. Listen, now we talk about पटना के बारे में सुन लीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है ना। कल रात में यहाँ पे हुआ था, अटैक हुआ था खान सर का इंस्टीट्यूट पे, ठीक है ना। खान सर पटना कोचिंग सेंटर vandalize guard assaulted. Yes, Khan Sir Coaching Institute in Patna was vandalized and a security guard was injured in an alleged attack by individual from a rival institute. The police are investigating and increasing security. The incident may be linked to the recent Bihar police requirement result, as many students from the institute were selected. Yes sir, तो ये बात बोल रहे थे। देखिए अब क्या होता है। वो जो चश्मिश वाला है ना, वो केजीएस कैंपस का जो है ना, मतलब कैंपस जो है उस जगह का, वो ऑनर है। मतलब कि उस जगह जितना भी वो रूम वगैरह है ना, आई मीन टू से जहाँ पे हम लोग क्लास करने जाते हैं, तो वहाँ का ऑनर है वो, ठीक है ना। और खान सर तो ज़्यादा कवर कर लिए हैं अपना। यस, एंड कल रात में फायरिंग वगैरह हुआ था। सुबह जा रहा था रनिंग, तो वही देखे बहुत भीड़ था, ठीक है ना। अब पुलिस स्ट्रीट सीरीज फुल यहाँ पे करते हैं। अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट रन बाय एजुकेटर and YouTuber Khan Sir in Patna was illegally targeted in an incident of vandalism and assault late Tuesday night, promoting a police investigation and heightened security in the area. Patna police said they received information regarding stone pelting and vandalism at the Khan Global Study Coaching Institute under the Kadamkua police station. Limit around 10 p.m. Yes, 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Okay, on June 2. Okay, a police team reached the spot immediately and investigated an injury based on questioning of local resident and examination of CCTV footage from the area. Investigators found that 15 to 20% illegally associated with another coaching institute, Gyanbindu Coaching Institute, were involved in the stone petting and vandalism, and officers said. Yes, ज्ञानबिंदु के बारे में सर बोल रहे हैं, ये वीडियो में देखा। Police also clarified that there was no evidence of firing during the incident. No confirmation of firing has emerged from the CCTV footage. the officer said, adding that raids were being conducted to arrest those involved and that further legal action was underway. The incident reportedly involved a group of men assaulting a security guard at the institute. The injured guard was admitted to hospital for treatment. Property at the institute was also legally damaged during the attack. After learning of the incident, proprietor and educator Faisal Khan reached the coaching center around 11:30 p.m. Speaking about the attack, he alleged that anti-social element and had entered the premises, assaulted the guard, and damaged property. Class had got over. Result of the Bihar police requirement had come. Thousand qualified. We were tired then, so anti-social element can start treating and beat up the guard, he said. Khan linked the incident to the recent Bihar police recruitment examination result, claiming that thousands of students from his institute and had been selected. He said a felicitation program had been organized for successful candidates and illegal that after the event some individual came to the institute and threatened that it would be a blow up within 2 days. The educator also expressed suspicion that people connected with rival coaching institute could be behind the attack. Though he acknowledged that the matter was under investigation, they seem to be coaching people. They are hassled by the law fees. I feel poor also have the right to study, he said, alleging that some operators were opposite to his institute because it offered education at affordable rates. The police officer, meanwhile, said that the internal investigation suggested some students were involved in the assault and in tearing down posters of the institute. On Wednesday morning, a group of students enrolled at the institute granted outside the coaching center to protest against the attack. Police have since increased security in the area as the investigation continues. यस मॉर्निंग में गया था ना रनिंग करने तो देखा, ठीक है ना, मॉर्निंग में रनिंग करने गया था तो देखा मैं। यस यही है। और अब नेक्स्ट कवर करते हैं गाइस, ठीक है ना। जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच सीरीज क्या क्या चल रहा है, यही सब है यहाँ पे। क्या बोलेंगे, series guys. Now for 700 Delhi Gymkhana Club employees, one question looms: what happens है Indian comedian then detained for 47 days in Dubai over dumb zeal. Deported. An Indian comedian revealed that he was detained in Dubai for 47 days before being deported to India. In an Instagram post, Yes Bhardwaj described the experience as emotionally exhausting, which unfolded after he shared a harmless dump reel. Yes. तो ये सब होता है, ये सब तो होता है। अलग कंट्री में आप लोग रहोगे तो थोड़ा बहुत तो क्या बोले। चलो इसके बारे में NYC मेयर जोहरान Mamadani sings playful order oversing जो भी है सब चीज़ें भाई। हम सेशन को इन कर रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं स्नान करेंगे, ठीक है ना। अभी 1 बज रहा है टाइम, इसीलिए जा रहा हूँ स्नान करूँगा, बाद में हम करेंगे कवर, ठीक है ना। अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं स्पीडली कर रहा हूँ जो जिससे कि अगर आप लोग को कुछ अच्छा लगे तो। ये वाला मैं पोस्ट देखा था, ठीक है ना, इंस्टाग्राम पे, ठीक है ना। अच्छा मैं आके कवर करता हूँ। जेई एडवांस डाटा लीक, सब लीक चल रहा है, क्या बोलेंगे। आते हैं गाइस, थोड़ी देर में हम लोग फिर अलग करेंगे। ओके देन गाइस, टेलिंग मी ऑन कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ वाज टुडे सेशन। यस, जस्ट डू फॉर आवर्स वर्क।